Do you think your car's headrests are designed solely to allow you to rest your head comfortably? In fact, they conceal such a safety secret that most drivers can't believe their eyes when they discover it. This hidden detail, which can save lives in an accident and prove unexpectedly useful in critical moments, is actually quietly waiting inside every vehicle to protect you. This secret, which has been right in front of our eyes for years, is perhaps the least known hero of your driving safety. Before we get into the details, subscribe to our channel for free right now. That way, you'll be the first to know about our new videos on similar topics. Thank you in advance for subscribing. Now, let's continue where we left off. When you sit in the seat, the headrests are usually fixed at head height. But the car's designers thought about this small part not only for comfort, but also for driving safety. In fact, these headrests are part of whiplash protection that prevents neck injuries during sudden braking or rear-end collisions. Surprising, isn't it? Have you ever thought about how much the headrest can affect neck injuries after an accident? In some modern cars, the headrests automatically pop up or move forward during a collision. This movement can prevent serious injuries by keeping the neck and spine in the correct position. So, why do these headrests pop out? Simply put, to protect you. If the headrest remains fixed during sudden braking or a rear-end collision, it can force the neck backward. But if the headrest moves outward slightly to wrap around you, your neck is safely supported. In some vehicles, this feature is not manual, but is activated by automatic sensors. The car senses the collision, and the headrests move into the correct position. Had you noticed before that your car's headrests have this kind of movement capability? This feature is useful not only in accidents, but also on long journeys. When you adjust your headrest to the correct height, your neck's natural position is maintained and fatigue is reduced. I'll share a little tip with you. Position your headrest at eye level or slightly above. This provides maximum protection in collisions and prevents neck pain on long journeys. And here's a little secret. Be sure to read how this headrest mechanism works in your car's user manual. In some models, headrests can be manually removed and reattached, which can be a lifesaver during maintenance or cleaning. So, as you can see, headrests are designed not only for your comfort, but also for your safety. When used correctly, they protect your neck and spine in sudden accidents, making your journey safer. I will continue to discuss similar topics related to cars. Subscribe to the channel for free to stay updated on new videos.